Hey guys, what's up? So today I wanted you guys to be extra close in my face. We're gonna be talking about some really affordable liquid lipsticks. I'm talking about so affordable, and no, you have probably not heard of these before. So if you really like super amazing, long-lasting, fun liquid lipsticks, then make sure that you keep watching because this video is for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified of all my future videos because I upload Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So today I'm gonna be swatching and reviewing the BeautyBigBang matte liquid lipsticks. And don't click out of this. I know you hear matte and you're like, dry, crusty lips. No, honey, no. So they have 6 colors in their range, and look at these colors, guys. These are really beautiful colors. Beautiful. I'm wearing the gray right now, which is called Weirdo, and I think it looks super wearable. It's a really wearable gray. So yeah, they have 3 fun colors. They have a red, they have a nude, and they have their dark classic brown here. And yeah, so let's go ahead and go into the swatch video. That's super fun. You'll see why. And then we'll come back and I'll talk about my thoughts and why these are so amazing. So now that you saw me, my purple wig, trying on some lipstick, let's talk about why these are so amazing. So first off, they are matte. They do dry down absolutely completely, and they do not transfer. They're long wearing, they're waterproof, and they're just beautiful. So first off, these gave me such a hard time with the swatches because they dried so quickly and they did not budge once they dried. So I was like trying to do it quickly, you know, take the footage for you guys and then get a wipey and wipe it off, because even then it was like coming off in patches because it was starting to dry already. It's so difficult to come off. So these are super long wearing, you guys, and they are waterproof. I had to go in, particularly with this one dried so fast. I had to go in with makeup remover to get this one off, and my cellar water didn't do it. So just be aware that these are very long wearing, which I love that this red is, because this is a perfect like date night red, because you can eat, you can drink, and you're pretty much good with this one. So I really love that. So now that you know that they are long wearing, they don't budge. These do have a really good applicator. So the applicator is more of a smaller applicator, and it comes more to a point, like it's teeny. And so I feel like that is amazing for these, because they do, when they do dry down, I mean, you want a really precise line because these will not budge once they dry. These give me a really precise line, and so I can really line my lips, and I don't need a lip liner for these. So that's really awesome about that. They also, just so you know, they do have a fragrance. They remind me of my childhood. I don't know what it is that these smell like, but they smell really good, really sweet. I don't know what it is that these smell like, but they smell really good, you guys, and they're not really strong. So if you don't like fragrance in your makeup, this isn't really strong, so it's pretty good. So I was really surprised that these were not streaky. I was a little bit concerned, especially about like these colors, that they'd be streaky or the nude. Whoa. These are not streaky, you guys. They go on fully opaque. I only went around like 2 times and they looked so smooth. Now, these are matte liquid lipsticks, but they're super comfortable, you guys. I don't think I felt a more comfortable matte liquid lipstick. They're very, very comfortable. They are not drying on the lips. Now, let me tell you something. My lower lip right now, it's actually super chapped, not because of the swatches. They were chapped before that, and they even cracked this morning. So when I got up to film this morning, I was like, great, I got cracked lips, and I'm about to film some swatches. But these look so good. They just smoothed over everything and they don't settle into the lines. They don't accentuate if you have dry lips, if you have a lot of lines on your lips like I do, they won't accentuate that. So if you definitely are someone that has, you know, problem with your lips, you know, drier lips like I do, cracks in your lips, whatever it may be, these actually are really, really good. I mean, you can see it looks like my lips are perfect, and let me tell you something, they are not perfect right now. They are like this bottom lip, like right here, it was so chapped that it cracked this morning. These actually went on really smoothly, so if you have that problem, you don't have to worry about these. And I know that a lot of liquid lipsticks, like the other day I was wearing the LA Color matte liquid lipstick, and man, it just accentuated this crack and I had to take it off. I couldn't even. But these actually are really, really good. So let's talk about the price, you guys. These are $7.99. $7.99. I'll put the link off down below. And right now, as I'm filming this, and I'll try to post this up as soon as I'm filming this, like really quickly so you guys can see, these are 50% off. They are $3.99 right now, you guys. These are $3.99 right now. Go get these. Go get your hands on these. So I really, really love the way that they did their colors in this line because they're wearable. I mean, this is more like a muted minty green, like a dusty color. So it's more wearable than if it was a bright pop of color. So if you want something fun, you want to switch it up, this is a good one to try, as well as the gray. I feel like this gray is a really good wearable one. And it has a really good undertone, so I think it would fit if you're warm or you're cool toned. They did a really good job with the color. So my favorite one so far is this one, and I love this nude color because it's the perfect nude. It's neutral. It's not too pink, it's not too peach, but it's pink enough that it looks like a nude lip, not like a brown concealer. You know what I mean? So they did a really good job with the nude lip, and I do love nudes every single day, so this is a really good one. So those are kind of my favorites, this gray one and these two, because they're just so cool, you guys. They're just so cool. But I'm not gonna lie, this red is, it's gonna be my date night red. This is gonna be my date night black, little black dress red, because it really does, they do last, you guys. So I don't know if I mentioned, but these, like I said before, these aren't drying. These go on kind of like a matte lip cream. If you know what I'm talking about, they have like a creamy, almost moussey, like they feel like that when you're sliding them over the lips, like really smooth, but they do dry down completely matte. Like, you see that? See that? It doesn't transfer. So I really, really, really love these, you guys. They did a really good job with the formula, and the price is amazing. So I hope that this was kind of helpful and enjoyable. I hope you guys like my swatch videos. Give me a thumbs up if you do. I will link these off down below. But yeah, I guess that's it for my review and swatch. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.